Shenzhen Taishun Hui Technology Company Limited is a company of elastic band, hook, and loop tape ribbon webbing with well-equipped testing facilities and strong technical force. We have stable quality, punctual delivery, and reasonable price. Our company was established in 2017, and we have many years of history in the textile industry. Located in Shenzhen, China, we enjoy convenient water, land, and air transportation. Currently, our production is already exported to America, Canada, Japan, Thailand, France, England, Germany, Italy, Australia, and 20 other countries and regions. Our main products: elastic bands, edging bands, hook and loop fasteners, straps, webbing, non-scratching straps, hair curlers, nylon straps, chargers cable tie, elastic binding belt, webbing binding belt, adhesive hook and loop, fire-resistant hook and loop, low-temperature resistant hook and loop, elastic hand strap, plastic hook, soft and thin hook. Our company is committed to elastic bands, hook loop, and deep processing to meet the various needs of customers. With a wide range, good quality, reasonable prices, and stylish designs, our products are extensively used in packaging, clothing, advertising, and other industries, and we accept customers' customization color, size, specification, and package. Our products are widely recognized and trusted by users and can meet continuously changing economic and social needs. Our company regards the best price, efficient delivery time, and good after-sales service as our tenet. We hope to cooperate with more customers for mutual development and benefits.